Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is my sister's bridal shower, and so myself, some of the bridesmaids, and my mom are here early. We're doing setup. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole thing. We're gonna do balloon decor, table centerpieces. We got food catered from Olive Garden, so it's gonna be a very fun time. So keep watching this video. You know, one of the bridesmaids helping, aka my big sister. I'm currently on the elevator taking the base for my balloon arch that I'm creating. This is a busy day. Okay, this is currently what the room looks like. We just kind of dumped everything in here. We set up the tables. There's gonna be 8 people at each table. We did 4 quads to make it simple for the room space. Balloon walls going here. This is gonna be our dessert table, and then our champagne section. And then all the Olive Garden catering will be on this back wall here. So let's get to the transformation. Guys, so I couldn't record the setup because y'all, we were super late, but the bride is here. Here she is, bride to be. And now she's about to walk into the shower. So let's let her see what we've created. So I wanted to show you guys what the tables look like. The girls helped me get these tables done. Love the theme. It's Petals and Prosecco. This is the balloon arch that I created for everyone to take pictures on. Again, we literally had an hour to do setup, so it is a miracle we got everything done. One of her sorority sisters, DJ, dropped off desserts for the bridal shower. They were super cute and very fitting to the theme. This was the welcome table where guests put their gift bags, and yeah, this is another view of that setup area. It was just such a beautiful day. Like, bridal showers are just so pretty, and so I'm just so happy to have everyone be a part of Raina's special day. It was a great time. And now let's get into some of the bridal shower games that we played next. So in order to not get a copy strike from YouTube, I had to do a voiceover over the music. It was Michael Jackson, You Rock My World playing, and just a variety of songs. This game is called Pass the Bouquet. So we had a fun time just going back and forth, passing the bouquet around. It's kind of like musical chairs in a sense. And Raina's future mother-in-law literally was playing the game so intense. But it was fun for her to really put a twist on the game because it kind of shook it up a bit. And so here we are just kind of tossing the bouquet around and around, waiting to see who gets out. And so the bouquet at one point literally got knocked to the ground because it was just so intense. And so here I am still kind of in the game. Let's see if I get out or not. And so again, we were just changing the directions. It was just really fun to play that game. I think this was the time. And so, yeah, that time I said, nope, I'm not getting out. And so it was down to the final 3, myself, my friends Giselle and Jasmine. And so this round, I believe I did not make it to the final round. Yeah. Round is just Giselle and Jasmine. Everyone was kind of just watching intently to see who finally made it. I don't know why they were going so slow with the bouquet at this point. I wish I could hear the music, but I do not want to get a copy strike from YouTube. And so Jasmine was the winner. And so my mom, being the mother of the bride, she gave her toast. And so this is just a little sneak peek of what she said to Raina and everyone who was in attendance.
Our mother of the bride, she hosted and plans it. And just like when you grow up, you think about what it'll be like. I've always thought about what it would be like to be the host. And sharing Raina's vision, she knew what she wanted. Like, I want this and this. And we were like, see it here, you need to go here, you need to get this, and we were just buying things and getting things, and just to see everything come together to make it so special for her means the world to me. I am thankful for each of you and the gifts that you've been in her life. I look around this room and I see journey of being the mother of the bride, being the host of the bridal shower, I am just overjoyed. And I just want to celebrate her and just pray for God's covering and His best in everything that she does, everything that they will do together, because we're going from Miss to Mrs., and that the union will be blessed forever. And that is my prayer, and that is my toast, and that is my wish. So if we would put our glasses up and we toast to the bride to be.
Cheers! And here's a clip of my sister cutting the cake, and it was a great shower. The end. See you guys later. Bye.
Cheers to the bride.